that you get with another shoe review. Let's go. What we got here right here, Kenzie?
Go ahead and guess.
These are 4s. I do know these shoes right here. I love this color. This is UNC blue. So tell them about this shoe. What do you like about this shoe?
I like the dots.
All right, so the
on
dots.
Gray, and I like them on this little strap thing. I don't know what this is.
And this right here, the dots.
I
Okay.
also like the dots on the shoe box it comes with.
Facts. Oh, check that out. I didn't even know it had it in the back where the Jordans is.
And then,
come on, focus. Right here. That's lit.
Yeah. And then I like obviously the net things on it, whatever you want to call that.
That's dope. Okay, cool. What
and
else?
then I like how all Jordans have this, but I like how it's right there too, and on the sides.
So you're talking about the black piece, right? Okay.
And then honestly, I just like the blue and the flight and the Jordan thing.
I do like this, but I think it's too big. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's
like,
really big. The 23 is really big.
It's huge, man. Like, why make that so big? Come on. There it goes. But it is a dope shoe. So all around, I do like the little air bubble.
But the thing is that I don't
Bottom
like
of
about
shoe.
these, if you don't
It's
wear
lit.
high socks, you get cut up.
So this right here cuts the back of your heel?
Yeah, I think they should make it like shorter.
Got you. Okay. So 1 through 10 on this shoe.
I'll give it a 9.
A 9?
A 9.
Her favorite shoe, which you're gonna put up here, which we already did a review on, is what?
Red Thunder.
The Red Thunders. So the same kind, but in just a different color scheme.
Yeah.
She wants all the same shoe. The same kind of shoe with different color scheme. Because the next shoe you want is what? The Oreos?
Yeah.
So the Oreos are white, gray, and black, right? But it's the same shoe. I don't understand. Instead of pick different shoes.
I don't know what they're called, but you know the red, black, and white ones that I wanted?
Yeah, I got you.
These?
I'm going to put that up there too. I know exactly which ones you're talking about.
Yeah.
We're going to put that up there too. So, overall, comfortable. All these shoes comfortable. 1 through 10.
Very comfortable.
1 through 10.
10.
For
and
real?
I still could fit these, and they're like an 8.5.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Her shoe size is a 9, so
I can still fit them.
they feel comfortable. Even through the sides right here, it feels comfortable.
Yeah, they're really...
So, this right here is a dope shoe. We give it a 9 on looks. She gives it a 9 on looks. She gives it a 10 for being comfortable. So, overall,
a very good shoe.
very good shoe. So, make sure you cop these. Retail price, probably anywhere from $300 to $500 for these right now. You got to catch them on StockX. So, $300 to $500, StockX, Goat, eBay, all that. So, but this is a fire shoe. I like this shoe. This is one of my favorite out of all her Jordans. So, take them out, boo.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so
you won't miss out on our future videos. Until the next video,
peace.
peace.